Before you buy anything, you need a plan. That sounds obvious, but a surprising number of IT purchases still happen like this. Oh no, Sarah's laptop just died. Quick, buy something off of Amazon and ship it overnight. That's reactive spending. That's pretty much the opposite of what a strategy should be. Try this right now. Grab a pen and paper and write down the last 3 IT assets your organization purchased. Pause if you have to. Don't overthink it, just the first 3 that come to mind. Do you have them? Those are probably your emergency purchases, the ones that stuck because they were annoying, urgent, or expensive. Now ask, were they planned, or did you scramble to buy them? That's the difference between reactive and strategic planning. Strategic IT asset planning means zooming out and asking, what assets will we need over the next 12 to 24 months? What are our current refresh cycles? What's coming up for renewal, replacement, or expansion? And how do we align purchases with business priorities? The key elements of strategic asset planning are inventory visibility. You can't plan what you don't know exists. This means having a clear, up-to-date view of your current asset count, age and condition of the assets, the assigned users or departments, and the warranty and support status. Forecasting needs. Look at the expected headcount growth, major projects such as new hires, software rollouts, and office expansions, and known lifecycle events, end-of-life assets, contracts expiring, etc. Forecasting doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be better than reacting in real time. Lifecycle alignment. Plan with the full lifecycle in mind. That includes acquisition, support and maintenance, retirement and replacement. Ask yourself, is this something we'll be able to support in 3 to 5 years? Will it integrate with our systems? Is it secure enough for what we need? Budgeting and timing. Many organizations overspend because they wait until something breaks. Budget proactively by spreading out replacements or upgrades, negotiating better rates, and avoiding rush orders. Here are some action steps. Run a basic asset age report. What percentage of devices are more than 3 years old? Meet with HR or operations to understand upcoming hires or office moves. And start a simple asset refresher calendar that looks 12 months ahead.